Okay, Ruby. Spin. Where'd you land on? Sad squirrel. Hold on, Ruby. Back up. Hey. Tess, will you spin?
Yeah.
Wait. 2! Tess wins! Yay!
My turn.
Tess, will you spin? Tess, give it a good spin. Give it a good spin. Give it a bit. I know, just give it a good spin because he thinks it's funny. Sweetheart. You think it's so funny.